Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, let's find them. And then let's scroll down in this left section to find General Management. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options and they look like we cannot really customize them, manually at least, because we are using the automatic options, so automatic date, time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off both of those options just by tapping on those switchers, and as you can see right now we've got new options like set date. After tapping on it, we will be able to pick the date from the calendar, pick it and tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, set the time you want to use, tap on done, and it will be immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on this section and here you will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which you can choose. So simply find yours and then tap on it. So for example, this one. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it. Here you can also decide whether you want to use the 24-hour format just like now or 12-hour one. To do that, simply turn off this option and it will be also immediately applied. So this is the whole manual customization of the date and time, and of course if you want you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.